So you wanna rotate a direction around an axis. That's rotate vector. Now instead of rotating the actor itself, you rotate the vector it uses. Perfect for offset or spreads. Now to get this node, you just have to type rotate vector and you will get this node like this. For now, I'm gonna remove it because I already have it for demonstration purpose. Now, as you can see in even begin play, we are getting a delay of 5 seconds, and let's keep it 2. And then I'm getting the actor's forward vector and putting the rotate vector, and then I'm adding a z value of 45 degree into it. Then I'm taking the rotation from X factor and setting the actor's rotation as you can see on the screen. Now what it will do is it will rotate the cube in one place by adding 45 degrees every 2 seconds. So I think this makes sense. So let's just compile it and see after pressing begin play. And you can see every 2 seconds it rotates the cube like this. Now let's make it a bit faster and I will put it like zero point 0.02 seconds so it will move. Okay, it's moving so fast. So it is super fast. So let's slow it down a bit. Like I'm gonna put it 0.1 second here, and by adding the rotation 45 degree, let's see what happens now. Now it's a bit snappy, so I don't think this look good. So we will change the rotate vector to 1 every zero point 0.1 second or every zero point 0.02 seconds. Now this will work just fine. Yeah, and as you can see on the screen, it's moving super smoothly because it's adding us offset. Now it's great for shotguns, cone attacks, spread fireball, or orbiting particles. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.